One of the barriers to engaging people in conversation about activism or politics is the sense that they're going to be bored and annoyed with what you say. So this video is about how to talk to bored people in a way that doesn't leave them feeling angry and you feeling guilty and frustrated. So here's the basic idea. First, you do have to build a relationship. You can't just barge in and sit down next to someone and start talking politics. You're right, that is against the social rules. On the other hand, it's not as hard as you think to start weaving that stuff into the conversation. What you have to do first is ask some questions. Who is this person? What are they interested in? Are they interested in parenting? Do they have kids? Are they passionate about sports? Do they love the environment? Each of those creates a different opening for your conversation and a different point of relating. After you ask questions and discover what they're interested in, then you talk about who you are in a way that connects with what they said. I'm also a parent, or I also love the environment. I love sports, but not your team. Woo! No, just kidding. Drawing out that humor, drawing out the common ground is the foundation, where step 3, you can talk about something you're interested in. The other point is to completely let go of any expectation that you're going to manipulate them into doing something that you want. That vibe of manipulation and control is what makes people feel angry and upset after a political conversation. The point of this conversation is to plant seeds and to raise ideas, to put it out there into the world that your cause is important and that you care about it. But it can't be about manipulating them. Otherwise, they're going to sense and respond to that in a negative way. So when you share your story about how you've got something in common with this person and it's connected in with something that you care about, talk about why you've taken action and why you're acting in a way that is completely devoid of any expectation that they'll do the same. Now, having said that, of course, you hope that in the long run, putting those stories out there is going to lead to change. And you will find that some people will respond to you and start a journey with you, asking you questions and so on. But you should see that as something that's in their control and based on their interests. And when they have that autonomy and a feeling of respect, then they might move towards you. If you crowd in, they're going to back away.